sir. Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Morning.
Tell us your name, please.
Brian D. Scowden, Scowden.
How are you employed?
I'm the Chief Drug Analyst at the Hamilton County Coroner's Office here in Cincinnati.
And when you say drug analyst, what all type of substances did you examine at the coroner's office?
I analyze evidence for the presence of controlled substances or the lack thereof. So we're looking at liquids, solids, tablets, things of that nature, plant material.
And Mr. Matthews, again, you stipulate his qualification?
Yes.
I believe you were asked to examine one particular item and possibly some other ones, but one particular item with reference to the case involving police officer Ray Tensing.
That's correct.
If I could show you as a matter for identification purposes, as State's Exhibit 3B, ask if you could identify that.
Yes. It's a piece of evidence that was submitted to our laboratory for analysis. Bears the CC number CC15-02376, item 16, and also bears my the same CC number and my initials and date on the seal of the plastic bottle.
What determination were you trying to make about the contents of that particular bottle?
It was submitted and asked for an identification. So basically, I tested it for drugs or alcohol.
And what was the result?
That it was negative for both.
No drugs, and it is not, even though it's labeled a gin bottle, it did not contain any alcoholic beverages. Is that correct?
That is correct.
No further questions.
Mr. Scowden, did you ever determine what was contained in that bottle?
I did not, but a sample was sent to another analyst at the laboratory.
And do you know the result of that test?
Yes, I do.
Would you tell us, please?
She identified components that are found in air fresheners, perfume, or colognes.
And do you have any experience in your career with the coroner's office or with the crime lab with bottles labeled alcohol that contain air freshener?
Not quite sure I understand experience as in analyzing them.
Yes.
No, this would be my first time.
Is there any significance to you that that bottle that's labeled gin contains perfume or air freshener?
No.
Okay. You indicated in response to one of Mr. Pietmeyer's questions that you analyzed items besides the bottle, the gin bottle, correct?
That's correct.
What would that have been?
Analyzed some plant material, and then I inventoried some other stuff that was taken from the car.
And the plant material that you analyzed turned out to be what?
Marijuana.
And did you weigh that material?
Yes, I did.
Did you weigh all of it?
No, I did not analyze all the plant material in the case.
And why not?
Well, if there was going to be criminal charges, we only analyze enough, unless it's requested otherwise by the submitting agency, enough to get the maximum charge. And in this case, it would have been over 200 grams. So I analyzed enough to get over 200 grams.
And do you know what the maximum charge would have been in the state of Ohio for that amount of marijuana?
The objection is sustained.
Sir, what were the other items that you inventoried from the car or you analyzed?
Well, I actually analyzed a cookie and a brownie for the possible presence of hashish. And then I inventoried a bunch of pharmaceutical that was prescribed to a Mr. DuBose, and also some herbal medicines, topical ointments. Those are the things that I inventoried, but I only actually analyzed, other than the plant material in the liquid in this bottle, was a cookie and a brownie.
Okay, and the plant material that you analyzed was contained in a number of different containers, is that correct?
I believe there was 3 different containers of marijuana, yes.
Is it 3 you believe, or are you sure?
Well, actually, there was 4, sorry.
You have just a moment.
Take your time.
No further questions.
Any redirect?
No, Your Honor.
Is this witness excused?
Yes.
Any objection?
No objection.
Thank you, Mr. Scowden. You're free to leave the building.
Thank you.
Thanks for your